What is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko. So today we're going to be taking a look at MMAT or metamaterials again. Okay, I'm going to be giving you a update. What are my thoughts about it? We're going to discuss some things, and I'm out here just trying to keep positive vibes and all the good stuff. So make sure to consider liking and subscribing, and that's about it for the start. Okay, so I will just say, make sure to stay till the end if you want to know more about that. But let's just get straight into it. Okay, so MMAT or metamaterials, it is setting a price of around $3.10. It is down 17 cents or approximately 5.20%. This is how the chart looks like. I mean, at this time, I can just say that with the technical analysis and all of the stuff, ain't nobody can tame the market like perfectly. Okay, and I had a prediction. I'm pretty happy about this because the market is so manipulative like these times, because this is being shorted a lot and you cannot just predict where the price is going to go just from the chart. Okay, but I actually did predict it. So this was from on the 2nd of August. Today we are 4th of August, so for the past 2 days my prediction was absolutely right. And if you don't believe me, make sure to go check my previous videos out. But you will see that the theme or the background is black right now and it was white. Okay, so that is the only difference that I had right there. And also, for the right now, what the moving averages say, they that we are really like pushing to the downside. We are below, with the price below every single moving average that we have, and we have the 50, the 100, and the 200 moving average. But it is what it is right now. Okay, let me just close the moving average, then kind of talk some things about MMAT. Okay, and then maybe we will talk more about the volatility and all the good stuff. But first of all, a lot of the people right now should buy it. Okay, and MMAT bears and chills are out in full force. Okay, do not let them kick on you while you're down. Can't ride the rips without buying the dips. Very simply said. Okay, a lot of the people right now will be panic selling, and they are the paper hands. Okay, they are the paper hands, and they are gonna be shaken out of this. And only the diamond headed dudes are gonna be staying, and girls, of course. I'm not just gay, like, I'm not trying to get in more in depth about the men's and girls, but overall the community, they are gonna be diamond-headed people. And that's why I think everyone should be. Okay, why diamond-headed? Because you will just hold the price, and that's how you can help out the stock, because it is being shorted a lot, and the best thing that you can do is hold your position, and maybe I'll add a little bit more whenever you can. Just buy the dips. Okay, and as a lot of people saying, also remember beers and shills only confirm, the only confirmation bias is the price has gone down. 99% of those assets haven't done any due diligence. Okay, but they can gloat because of the price. Hang in there, we will get our day and all the good stuff. Okay, a lot of people think that they'll just put their phone down, hopefully, and just their phone down, their computer down, not look at the screen. Because I know a lot of people, I mean, in my previous video, a lot of the people were hating on MMAT. They're saying that only like the only thing that this stock knows is how to push down and just to fall back down, and every single day is in the red. But it is what it is. I mean, I cannot change anything about it. Okay, I'm just trying to buy the dips whenever I can. And because I think that MMAT will be big. And why do I think that? I mean, just keep this in mind. Okay, I was just trying to find something to read you all guys from Reddit. Okay, we also saw that Meta announced an agreement to acquire nanotech security for 90.8 Canadian dollars, so 90.990. Okay, 90.8 million Canadian dollars. Okay, these are some pretty good news. And also, what I want to say is that Fox that will change the world. This is from a guy, our Depolar Bell 562 from Reddit. He says that's my prediction trading in the case 10 years minimum. He says that, let me ask you this: how many people valued Tesla, Amazon, Netflix, and Microsoft, or even Apple in the early years? Very few. YouTube did tech. Okay, you can just go and see that and ask yourself if any of it has the potential to change the world. At one time, Amazon only sold books, Netflix mailed DVDs, Microsoft and Apple started as computer companies. 4G was not even considered relevant to the world. Now you can stream videos, trade on the apps, and play games all from your phone. This is the ground floor. Hold your shares tightly. If squeeze from FTDs and a divey sell for some like one and a half and buy back on its settles. Okay, this is not a meme. We been defrosting like the windshields by blowing air at them for 100 years. Single drop in elevators, okay? Physically with like hydrical mostly moving solar panels to follow the sun since innovation. Monitoring blood sugar with pricks and like recently implants for years. That's all what MMT has or metamaterials has a potential to do. Okay, so physically moving solar panels to follow the sun since invention. Monitoring blood sugar with pricks and recently implants for years. Again, Meta, and Meta has tech for all of that, and this is only like scratching the surface. Buffett did not get where he is by day trading, I assure you, and all the good stuff. Okay, so he has the Buffett, like he loves the compound interest, and that's what he did. That's what made him a millionaire. Okay, and a lot of people will be thinking something like this. Okay, what if the answer that the George has for short wasn't the just earnings, contracts, and revenue? It should be safe to assume that Meta should know how many preferred shares were authorized out. Well, I'm assuming that here are anyways. Okay, if we were to follow the same line of thinking that is going on with AMC and like synthetic shares and naked shorting, wouldn't some of the best PR from George be MMAT reports the complaint to all preferred shares being allocated in the total of like XXX million, okay? Where XXX is anything above the actual total shares that were outstanding at the time. And I submitted a question to IR about this. Will update the update if I get an update worthy response. Okay, a lot of updates in that sentence, but I mean that you get the point. So that's about it. George has been like really trolling on his Twitter. He said bullish with James Brown. I feel good. I feel good. That song. Okay, then they are like, I mean, they are bullish. They are really bullish and all the good stuff. I mean, of course the CEO will be bullish, and but first of all, this will be basically for today's video. Okay, let me know what are your thoughts about MMAT, and I will be keeping you updated with this. Make sure to like, subscribe, and like also consider like turning on that bell notification if you already liked and subscribed. And that's about it for right now. I will keep this on my chart, but I don't think that we can actually do that. But yeah, we'll see. And this is basically it, guys, for today. Peace out and have a great day for the rest of your day. Also, I said about the volatility and the volume for today. For yesterday, actually, was not that great. Okay, it was no, that was not on yesterday. Yeah, yesterday was bigger than the day before, and then yesterday the volume was right around 12.09 million. Okay, and that's about it for today. Let me know what are your thoughts about MMAT, and guys, peace out and have a great day for the rest of your day. And make sure do not stress out about this. Okay, but keep calm. Bye.